Hi friends! I'm currently at my friend Leon's place, which means I'm going to be welding today. And I'm going to be welding on my Volvo 850R project. So for those of you that haven't seen the rest of this video series, I recently removed the side skirts from this car to see if it had any rust, and I discovered that it was in fact very rusty. So these are the sills, and as you can see there's not much left. So we figured it would be easier to just remove them all together and then weld in some new ones. And this is what we're going to try and weld in during this weekend and next weekend. By the way, I'm currently learning how to weld, so my friend's going to help me and he's going to cut out this sill so I can go and weld the new one in place. Well, Leon has cut out a really big part, but it seems like there's still quite a bit of rust under there. So after cleaning up, this is what we're left with, and it does look a bit better than expected because we can just weld on here, but we do gotta replace these parts, as you can see. So we're going to replace those and then I can go and weld in the sill. But yeah, this is what we're at right now. The jack-up point's already coming off the floor pan, so we gotta remove that one as well and then weld it back in place. Alright, so Leon cut out the jack-up point and the rusty part of the floor pan. And while he was welding in a new piece of floor pan, I cleaned the jack-up point using a power file, so he could go and weld it in place. And yes, it would have been a good learning experience for me to weld this part myself, but I decided to let him do it since the jack-up point is such an essential part of the car. So I opted for the safer option and let Leon weld this one, just to be sure that the welds would be strong enough to lift the car. After cleaning the jack-up point, I also drilled some holes in it so Leon could spot weld it in place. Now I'm going to try and replicate this piece, so that will be my first self-made piece of sheet metal. To replicate the cutout piece, I outlined it directly on a piece of sheet metal and then cut it out using a grinder. By using this method, the piece of sheet metal will be slightly too big, but it's easy to remove the excess metal using a power file afterwards. That looks pretty okay, and in the meantime Leon's making this super big piece.
Oh, yeah.
While Leon started welding the big part of sheet metal into place, I continued with the small part I just tried to replicate. Just like with the jacket point, I made sure to properly clean it and drill some holes in it so I could go and weld this part in place myself. The flat piece still needed some bending and a bit more grinding to make it fit correctly.
En dan is het te hopen dat hij...
Wow!
Zoiets.
It is now the next day, and yesterday we did this, which doesn't look like a lot, but we did spend quite some time on this. And today we wanted to try and at least get the sill in place. We don't have to completely finish it, but we do want it to be on the car at least. So we still got a whole lot more work to do, so we're going to try our best and work as hard as we can together to, yes, finish as much of the sill today as we can. So let's go. Leon's looking really forward to it. Okay, so my main objective for this weekend was actually to learn how to make my own pieces of sheet metal. For those of you that haven't seen my other videos, Leon is teaching me how to weld, and the idea was that I'd learn it by welding my BMW E28 project. But since the 850R was so rusty as well, and I'm more in a hurry to get that car ready, I decided to just try and weld this car myself too. And in total, this is the 4th time that I'm welding, I think. Anyway, so far I've only focused on the welding itself, but since I'm starting to feel a little bit more confident about the welding, I decided to try and learn something new this weekend. It's still not the prettiest, but it's getting a little bit better, I guess. Now that this part's smooth, I can go and weld this in place. And I think I'm starting to understand the order in which to weld certain parts. So that's kind of cool. We do gotta bend this part a little so it will fit better.
Nou, ja. Godverdomme. Ja.
I got these two pieces in place. Again, they're not the prettiest, but it's functional. But I'm gonna go and clean it up using the power file. And it also seems like I'll be here next weekend again, because I do wanna complete this sill by myself. So maybe I'll let Leon do the other side, but I do wanna do this side on my own. So I think I'll be welding next weekend as well. So I hope you guys don't mind, but I do wanna show you guys every little step I take. So yeah. I will show you both weekends of welding. By the way, and you guys may already know this, but it's not even the welding itself that takes so much time. It's mostly the filing and making pieces of sheet metal that takes hours. I am hoping that welding in the actual sill will be pretty quick after I'm done welding all these small parts that are on the inside. Now, before we weld something on here, we're going to spray some rust converter / primer on there. We just let this sit for an hour to dry, and now we're going to put some body sealant, I think, on the welds.
Het is een aardigheid, dus het vocht uit de las.
Ah.
En waar zal het van op? Op die las.
Ja, precies. Now I'm going to try and make this into a straight line, because this doesn't look too good. It's a bit too big. Alright, I think you know the drill by now. I'm drawing out shape on a piece of cardboard, and then I make the shape out of sheet metal. Now let's go and get this inner part of the sill finished. Ja? I'm I'm still going to need a whole lot more practice, but this is starting to look so much better than my old weld. Alright, little OCD overload, but we really gotta fix these holes. So yeah, I wanted to make a final shot, but we gotta fix this first, because this looks awful, even though you won't even see it when the sill's in place. That's so much better. Now I can sleep nicely tonight. Alright, so this is what we ended up with today. I know I said that I actually wanted to completely do this side and put the sill in place, but I'm not going to make it because it's already 8 p.m. and tomorrow's Monday and I still gotta drive home over 2 hours. So I'm gonna go and leave it like this, but I'll be back next week to weld in the sill and hopefully completely do the other side as well, with the help of Leon, of course. Yes. But yeah, that's it for today. Please stay tuned for that. For now, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!